Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by turning on your phone's personal hotspot and creating a secure network name and password. This prevents strangers from using your data. Once done, check you have mobile data and enough battery. Tethering uses power and bandwidth. Make a quick choice. Wi-Fi is easiest, USB is most stable, Bluetooth saves power. Now move to your computer and get ready to select the new network or plug in a USB cable. Don't delay, start connecting now. You'll connect using the method you picked. With Wi-Fi, open the network list, choose the hotspot SSID, and enter the password. Your computer negotiates DHCP and gets an IP. For USB, plug the cable, then enable USB tethering on the phone so drivers create a network adapter. The computer may install drivers automatically. If using Bluetooth, pair devices first, then enable the phone's internet sharing profile. Make sure the computer's network adapter. Once connected, confirm connectivity by opening a website or running a quick ping. This verifies DNS and routing. If speed feels slow, close background apps and disable auto updates to conserve data. When you're finished, disable the hotspot to save battery and avoid accidental use. One key troubleshooting tip: if there's no internet, toggle the phone's hotspot off and on, or enable airplane mode briefly. If that fails, restart the phone and computer. Then try USB tethering to rule out Wi-Fi issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.